Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'll be taking you through my office. This is the after, and I will show you in a high-speed reveal of everything I did to get the office looking the way it does now, from massively cluttered, as you've seen in my last video, to the completed version. Stick around. If you've been following my progress on decluttering, organizing, and minimizing the basement, this is the office version, and you can see it's a lot more streamlined now than it was before. I have a detailed video of what this office space looked like, and I will put that link somewhere up here, and you can check that out. This one is going to be the high-speed finished version, and if you like these decluttering videos and you want to see some art videos, please subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up below, leave a comment, and let me know if there's anything in particular you'd like to see, and I will be putting up a lot more videos and a lot more content. So let's get started. So starting at the top and from the left side of the office, it's time to get those papers sorted and organized. This is a really tedious process because you have to look through every file you have, really making decisions, determining if it's something you can recycle, if there's important information on it, birth dates, social security numbers, credit card information, bank statements. Those will have to be shredded. But again, this takes time because you don't want to throw anything away that you need, and you don't want to hang on to things that you'll never use again. And my easel is going back into my art studio area. I'm going through a process of a pre-sort, determining which items I need to file and which ones will be recycled, which ones need to be organized a little differently, and this all takes time. We have a lot of books on many subjects, and there's just a little too much up here. I'm not going through most of these on a day-to-day basis. These are old books about family and our history in Truro, Massachusetts on Cape Cod. So I'm still taking a lot of elements off of these shelves. And no, this is not a real rat skeleton. It's a little replica. It was a gift. We have fantastic built-in storage underneath this desk, and I've just got to go through every piece. I'm not going to leave everything in there. I'm removing everything. I'm going to go through each item I find in there and determine if it's something I'm going to keep or if it's something that we no longer need. It's good to remove every item from wherever you're working. If it's a dresser, if it's a closet, if it's a little cabinet space like this, take everything out, go through each item, and determine if it's something you need. It's time to step back and take a look at what you've accomplished and how much more you need to do. Stepping away from this for a little bit and coming back really is refreshing, and it gives you motivation and direction. Can I just tell you how good it felt to shred these pieces of paper that have just been weighing us down? Some of these were here for 15 years we've held on to, and there was absolutely no need for them. It feels so great to get rid of all of this stuff, to remove them from these shelves. I'll just let you take a moment and watch this, and we can see this happen together. These spaces under the cupboard now are a lot more organized, and these are pieces that we will be using. Some of them are electronics. On the other side, we're storing some paperwork that is still needed. Remember, this isn't one and done. It's not whatever you see now is going to stay this way forever. Probably in 3 months I will be revisiting both of these areas and decluttering a little bit further. Time to sweep the area now, and after the sweeping is done, we're going to get it mopped up before starting to bring everything else back. Bringing the pieces of the office back in. This is going to be an ongoing process. I'm bringing in what I feel I need to use the most on a day-to-day basis. A couple of decorative elements, but really trying to keep this area as sparse as possible. A clutter-free shelving area, a clutter-free desktop is really going to help keep a day less stressful, I think. And here we go, the finished decluttered office space. Remember how this looked before? That same space just a week ago. Cluttered and chaotic. Now, calming. The phrase less is more is really accurate. Less clutter, less chaos, more calm, more tranquility, more peace, and more time to get the work done that's at hand, because you don't have to dig through unnecessary pieces of paper to find what's really important and what you need to get done. I hope you enjoyed this video. It shows that if you take one small section of a basement, one small section of a garage, any part of your house, break it down to a very small area that's manageable. When the decluttering of this basement is finished, I'll be taking a video tour through the before and to the after. I broke this down just one piece at a time. If you take any area in your house and break it down to a small component, you can manage organizing and decluttering. Take one room, take one item in that room, like a dresser for example, or a closet, and just go through that. Don't overwhelm yourself with too much. And again, if I can do this, you can do this. This is a work in progress. The office here is not completely finished yet. It may adjust a little bit. I will find some of these items behind me might be getting more decluttered, and I might be adding something in that I use more often. So don't look at it as an all or nothing. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to make progress a little each day. You can do this once you get it to a point that you're comfortable with, once you get all the elements in that you need and that you appreciate having around you. In an office, all your files should be accessible. You should have your computer, if you're using a printer, have them all clutter-free. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more decluttering videos. I'll be putting up some tips and tricks that might help you, and hopefully things that can inspire and maybe even entertain you. Yeah, I think this office was pretty bad, and I think most of you, I'm guessing, probably weren't in as bad a shape as what this office looked like. So stick around, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time. Have a great day, everyone.